Boys, I've given a great deal of thought to what I am about to say. I've talked it over with the staff, and we all came to the same conclusion: that there should be some form of punishment for the unspeakable behavior of yesterday. Most of you are here because you could not adjust to the outside world. You broke the rules of society. At some time in your childhood, perhaps you were allowed to get away with that. But when you broke a rule, you knew it. You wanted to be punished, needed it. But the punishment did not come. That leniency on the part of your parents may have been the germ of your present illness. I remind you of this, hoping you will understand that it is entirely for your own good that we enforce discipline. Is there any comment? Then I assume you understand me and agree. You must also understand it is difficult to enforce discipline in these surroundings. After all, what can we do to you? You can't be arrested. You can't be sent to an institution. You're already there. All we can do is take away privileges. And so, after carefully considering the circumstances, we've decided to take away certain privileges that encouraged the rebellion to happen. First, for 30 days, there will be no viewing of television. Second, the privilege of playing cards during recreation hours is hereby rescinded. There is one more matter. The behavior of a patient who has been here almost as long as I, longer, I believe, than any of you. You know, of course, to whom I refer. Mr. Bromden long ago was diagnosed as catatonic. And for that reason, because it was assumed we could not communicate, we gave him up. We forgot poor Mr. Bromden. That was wrong of us. But Mr. Bromden acted wrongly too. Oh, please don't misunderstand. We are happy to learn that Mr. Bromden can be reached, but disappointed to learn that he would conceal it from us, thereby refusing to cooperate in his own cure. And if Mr. Bromden can hear, isn't it logical to assume he can also speak? I think Mr. Bromden should speak to us, don't you? His first contribution to group therapy. And how appropriate if those words were an apology.